Okay, we have arrived the middle and high school combo where I studied here, and I'm really not sure if I can get into this school. Let's see. Okay, I'm in. So it's like, yeah, I have to give them the teachers where I studied with, and they will let me in. So in Chinese schools, they have a lot of this kind of stones, and this area is like a middle school department. So uh, like that one is like each building. It's like for one grade, for such as this one, maybe seventh grade, and that one 8, and that one 9, maybe. Yeah. And this area is like a high school area. We used to study at this building. So if you study in this building, you will stay here from first year to the third year. So in China, primary school and high school will be both 3 years. Oh, they got some fountain here. Nice. And got a statue of Chairman Mao. And this is some published column to showcase the New Year Eve festival, some events like that. So this is a relatively new school. It's relocated from the city center to this area. Yeah, this one is the building where I studied in the past. And this building are interconnected. There's a way through. So the right area and the left area is kind of like very similar in the interior design, but we cannot get into them because they are all locked. And that one is like a library. Okay, let me. And this area is like art center. And this is a bookstore called Xinhua Bookstore. It's like a very famous bookstore and a publisher in China. Museum we cannot get into. And here we got a statue of Confucius. Because we only stay here for 1 year, because in the first and second year of high school we are in the old school, which is in the city center, and this one is newly built, and when it finished we moved here in our first year of high school. Confucius. And this one is like a experiment building, and that one is like a maybe that's a building like it's a building with many more advanced equipment or something to teach the students, maybe a classroom with more advanced and professional equipment, something like that. And this is the canteen building. So there are two canteen buildings here. This one is the Canteen 1, and this one is the Canteen 2. And yeah, so these buildings, each floor and each stall, they have different flavors. And these buildings, I don't even know when they are built. Maybe, oh, I see. So they are commercial buildings called Biguiyuan. It's like commercial buildings, yeah. And we got a playground, football court here. And I really miss the food here on top of the floor, because I got a friend whose parents are teachers, and he can take me to the teachers canteen, which is even more delicious and fresh. And we have some table tennis table here. Now what are these buildings? So they are newly built. I don't even know what buildings are this. Maybe dormitories. Let's see. Oh, it's dormitory. So it's the dormitory number 6. These are all dormitories. Yeah, interconnected. And for this dormitories, students usually live like the interior environment is pretty good, actually, compared to the old school where I studied. It's like 6 people or 8 students in one room. And I almost forgot which building where I lived in when I started here. Okay, let me bring you to one of this building and see what the interior looks like. Got some solar light here. I don't have a stabilizer. Maybe when I go back to Shenzhen, I'll get some stabilizer, which will give you a better watching experience. And you can see here, there are some washing machines. Yeah, washing machines. So you can use like coins. You have to get coins and put coins into the hole, and it's done. I really hope that I can get into the classroom, because the classroom, it's very typical, and maybe that will be interested you. More dormitories, so same, and there's some introduction of universities, to let the students know the features of certain universities. Alright, it's like all dormitories. Let's go to the playground or the stadium. Oh, they got some new things here. When I started here, the playground, it hasn't finished yet, but now it's like all finished, which looks pretty good. Oh, I see the dormitory where I lived in. So it's like that one, yeah. And they got some basketball court here. Just a typical stadium, and they got a football court here. Okay, this is like a similar road to me, because we live in that place, and we'll go all the way from there to to the place. So this is a long way from the dormitory to the classroom. So we need to get up very early. So this is a store here where we can buy snacks and other things we need, like pencils, like notebook or something. And this one is like it seems like an indoor stadium. Let's check out. And you see that those buildings, those are the buildings for the teachers. So it's like a teacher dormitory. You see, and there's a clock on top of the building. Seems like there's nothing inside of the indoor stadium. Maybe not fixed, not finished yet. No stuff inside. Empty, like nothing. Oh, they got something here. There's a gym. Oh. Really nice. I didn't catch up the good times of this school. Yeah, there's a lot of equipment here. This area is supposed to have a man-made lake, but there's no water there. Okay, and there's a place for climbing. What is this place? It's like a cultural place. Oh, I see. It's like seems like the kindergarten for the teachers. Yeah, it's the kindergarten for the teachers. Oh, let's oh, we can go around from here. So these are the houses for the teachers, a lot of them. Man-made lake. There's no water. Okay, give you feature something on this. Yeah, so to put you into perspective, so each building is like I think there will be 20 classes for a single grade. Each class will have 40 to 50 students. So it's like 1,000 students per building. And each classroom has a very good projector and a screen, a touch screen blackboard or whiteboard, as you can call it. So there's no way into the building. Okay, so these are we are on the 4th or 5th floor of this building when I started here. Okay, we cannot get in. Maybe we can see through this window. Oh, they even got some place to store stuff for students. And this is the podium for the teacher. And yeah, let's see if we oh, so they are put the yeah, and they have a screen in outside of the classroom. Oh, sadly we cannot have a door which can let us in and let you have a better view on what it is like into a Chinese school. And there's a place for the scooters, a lot of scooters. With charging ports. And EV charging station. Alright, that's the overall condition of this school. And let me know your comments, and I will call it the end of this video. Thank you for watching.